How to book a flight on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can book a flight on Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Southwest account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is to scroll down until you can see a box. Now in this box, you can see options like flight, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, flight status, change or cancel. And then once you can see this, the next step would be to move to your departure and arrival point. Before then, select the kind of flight you want. Do you want a round trip or a one-way trip? For me, I'll just be leaving it as a round trip, all right? And then after selecting departure point, next would be select an arrival point as well. So just entering your arrival point, select your departure date, your arrival date, and then select your departure date. Just click on the box here and the calendar would be displayed. This calendar, you can now decide which of your time, your departure as well as your arrival. And then once you're done selecting it, you can now go ahead to select passengers. Are you 2 or 3, or is it just you? Select it, and then if you have a promo code, ensure you make use of it so that you can have a discount. Then move to the right side and click on search. So after clicking on search, the flight available for those days and for that particular location would be displayed, and then the next thing would be to select the one that you can afford. So first of all, you would have to select a departure date, a departure flight, and you can see the different options available here based on location. So select the one that you feel you want by clicking on the drop down arrow. By clicking on the drop down arrow, you will see details about the flight. So you can now see for low fare, you can see different fares, you can see the different kind of packages that are available. All right, so just go ahead and select the one that is suitable for you. And then once you're done selecting, move to the lower right corner and click on select next flight. And the next flight is your returning flight. All right, so you can also see the different options. Select the one that you can afford, and then scroll down again, move to the right side and click on continue. Then you wait for the page to load. Okay, so once the page has loaded, you can see by the right side the options are available. You can see the steps involved in booking a flight, which are price, payment, confirmation. So you can now see your flight details and all. You can see the amount. So if you're not satisfied with this amount and you want to modify it, you can just move to the top side and click on modify, and then you'll be able to make adjustments to the flight. All right, and then you can see which route is airport information because it will be needed. And then if you want to add a car as well, you can go ahead and add a car that to pick you up at your location or will take you to wherever you're going to when you get to the airport. You can add that. You can also, add bags, but the more you add, the more you would pay. Okay, and then once you're done and you're satisfied, move to the lower right corner and click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you wait for the page to load so you can be taken to the next stage, which is the payment stage. And here, once you're on this stage, next would be for you to scroll down and you'd have to enter in the passengers details, which include you have to select your name, all right, and then your date of birth, your gender, your account, your redress, etc. Just enter in all of this. All of this would be gotten. All of this, you would know all of this when you're about to book a flight. All right, so you will be asked to select a contact method to enter in your phone number if necessary, then enter in your payment information. All right, so how do you want to pay? Do you want to pay monthly by using Uplift? Do you want to use PayPal, or do you want to use your credit or debit card? Just select the one that you would like to use, and then for credit or debit card, you'd have to enter in details, your card details in here, and your billing information. Then after that, you have to select where you want to receive your receipt. Okay, and you have to select the purpose of travel. All right, and then once you're done, click on purchase, and then just like that, your flight will be booked and the confirmation will be sent to your email. A receipt will also be sent as well as your ticket. So ensure you check your email for all of the details. So this is how you can book a flight on Southwest Airlines. It's so simple. Thanks for watching and have a good day.